What's up, our YouTube followers? Thank you so much for watching our video. Make sure to give us one of these. We appreciate that. You've watched the rest of our videos and you know that we do, videos on travel. We like to use our RV. We like to go to RV parks, resorts. We just like to do that as a family. That's kind of our thing. So in the midst of that, we've actually had some people go, hey, maybe you should use a drone, get some drone footage, that kind of thing. So I spent hours trying to look at different drones, and I know that people religiously follow their type of drone. In fact, I have a friend that has a type of drone. He absolutely loves it, and he's saying that's the way to go. I kind of picked my own way to go, and what I picked is the Mavic Air. What I love about this drone is you got the Mavic Pro and the Mavic Air. Mavic Pro is, some people, like I said, will religiously follow that one. The Mavic Air is a lot of people that like that. Now they have some other new ones that come out as well, like a Mavic Mini, Mavic Pro 2, that kind of thing. The reason why I picked the Mavic Air is because we like to bike, and when we travel, we also take the carry-on bag, and I didn't want to upgrade too much of what I was taking with me. I kind of like taking a small backpack, not anything big. So the Mavic Air, I liked it for that reason as well. The other thing too I liked is the Mavic Mini looked pretty cool, but the Mavic Air, it seemed like it probably performed better in the wind. We live in a state that is very, very windy, and so that was a factor as well. The other factor was quality, video picture, frame rate, that kind of thing. And the Mavic Air, actually there was areas where it beat the Mavic Pro, so I highly recommend looking that up and comparing the two, because you might be surprised as well. And then of course the size, like I mentioned, the size is a big deal as well. So what I want to do is just kind of show you what we got, how we positioned it that's going to work good for us, and maybe it'll help you out a little bit. The big thing is what we chose to carry the Mavic Air, and we actually picked this case, and this came with the starter bundle. So you might actually get this as well. If you don't get this, I highly recommend looking into this case. We did get one of them big black ones that you'll probably notice on eBay or Amazon. It's big and square. Really cool case. If you don't mind bringing like a full-size backpack or something, that might be the case for you. I liked it. But my goal is trying to keep it small and keep it confined. And I really, really like this case. And so I kind of want to show you what it, how it worked, how big it was. There was a lot of videos and stuff saying, get this one, it's small, but it didn't really help me out because the case I got didn't fit in the backpack. So in this case, you can actually look at it here. When you put your Mavic Air in there, the Mavic Air goes on top, and then you pop the Mavic Air out. And then right here as well, you've got the controller. So I like that. What's cool about the controller is these little legs pop out. And I'm actually going to spend more time on this as well, just all the details of the Mavic Air. We have a Patreon page that we like to refer people to that just gives way more detailed explanations of everything. But just for this video, I just kind of want to show you what we carry in this bag and show you how much fits in there, which is pretty cool. So the controller pops out. Everyone knows the Mavic Air controller has got these cool features with the screw-on joysticks. Right here. And then also your cell phone. One thing I didn't know is if you've got that hard case on your cell phone, it's not going to fit into here. So I tried and tried and tried. So basically I had to take the case off, but then the cell phone pops right in there. So, and then there's a wire that plugs into the back of your cell phone, which is nice. I tried to show that a little bit. Just pops in there, and then you adjust it. So real simple. Like I said, you can't keep your case on there. You have to take it off. So not too tough though once you get it in there. Mavic Air, everyone's probably already watched the videos of that, but these just pop right out. Real simple. The tricky part is the back ones. So they actually fold down. So when you fold it out, it's like that. So kind of cool to notice that this little tiny Mavic Air popped out of that little space right there, and then of course the controller. So now inside of there as well, we have, if you can see, there's a slot for 2 batteries down inside of there, and then there's also a slot for the charger. I've got one to charge up the remote, because you will need one for that. And then, so I'll take these out of there and show you. I kind of had to mess around with this just to kind of get an idea of how I wanted to stuff it all in there, but this is part of the charger here. This right here, which is really cool. You want to make sure you get one of these because when you open this thing up here, it actually can charge 4 batteries at once. So, and then of course the charger part clicks right into the bottom of this, and then you've got like your standard plug-in that plugs in right there at the bottom. So all that stuff fits in there really well. And then right here, here's the device that you can actually use to like plug into the remote. And then of course here's the charger that goes right in there like that. So kind of show you that. So, and then if we have 2 extra batteries in here, and then there's one in the Mavic Air. So I was kind of shocked all that fits in there, but like I said, what I was looking for is something that would fit tight, so that way we could, you know, carry it with, you know, on the back when you bike and that kind of stuff. Because a lot of times I'm biking, I've got like a little 3-year-old on the front handlebars, a border collie that I'm holding on to, so I definitely want to be carrying a big backpack. So now one of my problems and I was searching YouTube, searching different, you know, Amazon videos and that kind of stuff, was I was trying to find out what kind of bag to use and what the size was. That's what's so hard. I mean, they'll show the dimensions, but how do you compare that? I mean, I'm pulling open the backpack trying to measure, and I mean, that's almost impossible to do. So I just wanted to kind of give you an idea just with this ruler here to show you how small this bag is. So it's 9 inches approximately this way, and then depth is going to be at the top a little over 3 inches. So a good comparison for that is we have a Pop-Tart box here. So if you look at the Pop-Tart box, the width is almost exactly the same as the Pop-Tart box when you're looking at it there. So that was a, you know, a good example for me because you can kind of try that out there. So, and then of course it's a little bit longer than the Pop-Tart box, but you got your width and your depth right there. It's going to be about the same. So that worked good. So if you're trying to figure out if it's going to fit in a backpack or something, put a Pop-Tart box in there and just kind of, you know, with your eye, assume just a few more inches on the end, and that gives you a pretty good idea. So you're probably looking at like right here approximately. So that just pops right in the backpack and fit really well. And like I said, what's cool is you can take everything with you. So I've got 3 batteries, got the charger, the remote, the drone here, and it should walk right onto the you know, airplane and the carry-on really well. So just wanted to give you this information. I will tell you, I did post a video. Well, I'm posting a video here shortly. That's going to be the pre-flight, which was kind of my test flight. I was really nervous to do that. Did it in the house. And then a flight outside, my first flight outside. So check them out. I'm definitely not a pro, but I watched a lot of YouTube videos, talked to a friend that's a big drone enthusiast, so hopefully I don't wreck it, and then you guys can watch that video as well. So thanks so much again for watching. Appreciate it.
Hey guys, this is the end of the video. Make sure that you like and subscribe for more great content that is ready to come. Peace out.
Let it move.